Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on AI chatbots. Technology, a blessing or a curse? Advancing us or is it causing us to regress? I guess the answer to this will depend on the angle from which you view this argument. We cannot deny the many benefits that technology brings to the table, but in that same breath, we cannot turn a blind eye to some of the concerns. For this paper, we will be assessing one of technology's finest and latest developments, and this is no other than AI chatbots. We will be assessing AI chatbots and some of the concerns and threats that they pose. Firstly, let's look at academic development. There is a concern that students can get over-dependent on AI chatbots. There is evidence that it is being widely used for assignments and exams. And if students are now depending on AI to do their work, then AI will be developing and they may not. There is reason why lecturers give assignments and exams. They are able to sharpen certain critical skills that students need. And if they are dependent on AI, then they are not developing and sharpening those skills. And that is a concern. Secondly, we will look at how AI can compromise the integrity of academic assessments. If students are now going to AI for everything, from assignments and for assistance with exams, then the question begs to be asked, are lecturers assessing a bot or are they assessing the students? And that is a concern. Thirdly, we look at how AI gives rise to cheating and plagiarism. AI does and can give an unfair advantage for those who have access to it. There is a plausible argument that students who present AI generated work are plagiarizing. The pundits are divided as to whether AI work is actually plagiarism or not, but regardless, it is a genuine argument to present that the work being presented is not that of the person presenting it. These are questions that are now up in the air and they need answers. And I guess this is why more research is being conducted and the conversation has to keep going. And I guess everyone needs to find a common ground as to whether AI truly qualifies as plagiarism or whether it qualifies as cheating. We have highlighted three concerns and drawbacks of AI, but despite these, we cannot deny that AI chatbots do present several benefits, and we must acknowledge those benefits. We know for sure that they are able to give us a wealth of information. Students can get assistance with assignments and getting work done, and that is a good thing. It also has created a situation where people can collaborate better. Research shows that it has increased student engagement, and it makes remote learning easier as well. So, and these are just few of the many benefits that AI brings to the table. Given all of this, we are at a point where AI has changed the landscape, and as a matter of fact, discussions are just beginning. Institutions are just starting to adjust because it has happened so rapidly, and as we highlighted earlier, many questions are up in the air, and academic institutions need to determine the way forward as to how they integrate AI into their establishments and how they allow students to interact with AI. But nonetheless, AI brings several benefits, but we cannot, not for a second, turn a blind eye to some of the concerns. We ought to encourage students to balance it off and ensure that they're not becoming too dependent on AI and that they're aware of those concerns that are brought about by AI. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good day.